Today we are making this chicken Alfredo pasta. Let's do it without any drama. Do you like it? The ingredients we need: cream, cheddar or Parmesan cheese, butter, chicken breast, milk, mushroom, penne pasta, garlic, black pepper, salt, and thyme.
You can eat me.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, saute the chicken in the butter until golden, like this. Don't be playful. Okay, boil the pasta in water until soft. Okay, saute the mushroom in the butter until soft. Saute some garlic in the butter. Add some milk. Add the chicken and mushroom. Now add pasta in the sauce. Add the spices. Add cream. Babe, what are you eating? Give me the cheese.
No.
Add cheddar cheese, or you can add some Parmesan cheese. Okay, mix everything until it's creamy.
Creamy. Brown.